what are the various business models emerging within data centers, remote monitoring, management, etc., and the whole talk about green data centers. So could you just, guide us through this?
So predominantly the data center, as Kamal said that, it's a more of a real estate it looks. But when they come to country and the people who are adopting the technology, it is more of a backbone of your digital infrastructure. So one predominant business is the co-location, where you provide the infrastructure to a customer and multi-tenant, multiple customer bring their digital asset and they run their compute, their storage and their networks. The second part is which is coming up is the managed services. So you also provide not only the hosting space, but also bring the managed services, some of the manpower, the skills to blend with the hosting with the technology services to mix and match both the things, the cloud. So we as a Yotta, we also have Olo and we have a tech services where we offer our cloud like the other market players are offering. So we also give our own cloud. So today, most of the customer, whether they have tested the cloud somewhere, they are cloud savvy or cloud hostile, they want to have hybrid kind of approach. They want to keep something on private, something on prem, something out of prem. So the third thing is the cloud business and the connectivity. So there are a lot of underneath technology developed with the hyperscalers where people are running their specific load over there, but they want to run their manufacturing or a normal ERP or CRM in one of the data center like us. So they want to interconnect between their public cloud or a hyperscale cloud. So they want to create a hybrid connectivity. So that connectivity is a bigger business. And as and more of the digital adoption happen, the new thing which is coming up, the security service, security operations. So whether customer is hosted with you or a customer is hosted at multiple location of his own or on a public cloud, he wants somebody to give you a single pan of a space where you can find out the vulnerability, you can close them, you can sandbox them, you can create the honeypot for the new line of trackers attracted to your digital business. So these are the 4 or 5 specific line of business where you have variety of customer. From a colo perspective, you have hyperscalers, large enterprises. From a cloud, you have mid-sized enterprises, you have startup, you have or the innovative lab or education center. Then on a security, you have existing customers, you can work with them, blending your net, how you engineer your network to give them a greater connectivity and reachability. And that all goes depends upon the way you want to do the business. So there are a lot of foreign players, they're coming to India, like they just want to build the colo. But that is a one way of saying that when you really want to attract the investor, as Rajgopalan said, that there is a margin which is starting from double digits, start like a 10-12%, and it can go up to 24-25%. So if you have all 4-5 line of business, like what Kamalji said, that you can bring a complete digital infrastructure services rather than only a data center player.